Lamborghini Egoista. The history of the famous Italian company Lamborghini, which produces expensive sports cars, began in 1963. In 2013, the brand celebrated its 50th anniversary, and the fans were given a very special gift. They had the opportunity to see this extraordinary car, known as the Lamborghini Egoista. But why only see it? Actually, the name of the car accurately explains the concept. Egoista was made in a single copy, and that's why only one person on this planet can have it. Unfortunately, there is no information about the lucky owner. The frame is made of aluminium and carbon fiber to reduce the total weight of the car. The appearance, as you may have noticed, is very unusual and somewhat futuristic. Sharp edges, black details, bright orange discs and glass. Also, the creators of the Lamborghini Egoista were obviously inspired by aircraft. There's only one seat in the cabin, and it's an ejection seat, just like that of a fighter jet. The vehicle's powered by a 5.2-litre V10 600 horsepower engine. Thanks to this and a lot of aerodynamic elements, the car can reach up to 350 km per hour. At the same time, the Egoista reaches 100 km per hour in just 2.4 seconds. There's no exact information about the price, but it's known that it exceeds $3 million. The Peugeot Onyx. If we told you that there's a car made of paper, felt and copper, you'd probably think that such a wonder of the automobile industry can't even move. But here it is, it's a real car, and it can reach up to 360 km per hour. According to the company, the Peugeot Onyx is not only a dream car, but it is the supercar of the 21st century. Natural materials have been picked to achieve maximum performance. The Peugeot Onyx's engine is located at the back. It's a 3.7-litre V8 diesel engine producing 600 horsepower. Considering the weight of the car, just 1,100 kilograms, these parameters are incredible. The developers managed to achieve such a low weight using carbon fiber for most of the body panels. The price is pretty impressive as well, more than $1 million. Speaking of paper and felt, the dashboard and the top of the door panels are made from newspapers that were pressed so hard together that they've been reconstituted back into wood. The interior is finished with felt as well. The BMW Pininfarina Grandelusso Coupe. The Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este has been held in Europe for almost a century now. It's translated from Italian as the Contest of Elegance. During the event, visitors can admire the most beautiful and amazing cars, including vintage models. So, the next car on our list was the star of this competition some years ago. It was first shown to the world in 2013. This is the brainchild of BMW and Pininfarina, a slightly less famous car design firm and coach builder. The unique BMW Pininfarina Grandelusso Coupe was based on the BMW 7 Series. The laconic bodywork and elegant lines accentuate the car's premium class. The wheelbase is huge, the hood is long, and the interior is slightly shifted backwards. The vehicle has the same engine as the BMW 760i, a 6-litre 12-cylinder unit producing about 535 horsepower. Interestingly, this single copy car became the forerunner of the serial 8 Series Coupe. But let's talk about its remarkable features and details. The wheels are equipped with 21-inch rims with matte and gloss metal. The interior is elegant and minimalist. The ideal combination of colours is a key element of the design. Also, the panels are made of 48,000-year-old fossil wood. The driver and passenger seats are also finished in high-quality leather. The Ferrari P80C. The car you're seeing right now is definitely one of the best in the world. It's an exclusive new product from Ferrari, which was first shown just a few months ago. It was based on a racing car. More exactly, it uses the chassis of a Ferrari 488 GT3. The elongated body has a visual balance shifted forward, emphasizing the rear. Some elements of the car are similar to those of the GT3, but there are also completely unique details, like the front splitter and all the body panels. The body is made of carbon fiber. The Ferrari P80C has amazing aerodynamic characteristics. The creators worked really hard to bring the car to another level. Just take a look at the spoiler. You can find similar details on Formula 1 cars. Interestingly, there are no front or rear headlights. Instead, there are only small recesses to create the appearance of their presence. The characteristics of the engine are remarkable. It's a 3.9-litre twin-turbo V8 engine producing 660 horsepower. Since it's a racing car, the body has a modular design, so the external elements can be easily and quickly replaced. The Maybach Accelero. Although this car was built more than 10 years ago, we would still like to show it off today. Because, despite everything, it has extremely surprising characteristics and features. The basis for the Accelero was the Maybach 57. The model was created jointly with the tyre manufacturer Fulda. In 2005, the company developed a new high-speed tyre design. In order to display their invention, the company wanted to get a unique, exclusive car, and that's how the Maybach Accelero was born. By the way, it was designed with the help of students from the Pforzheim University in Germany. The project was implemented using materials such as leather, neoprene, aluminium, and polished carbon fiber. The design is visually aggressive. This effect was achieved by changing certain proportions of the body. Only 2 people can fit inside the cabin. The maximum speed of the car is 351 km per hour. The Fulda tyres, designed specially for the car, can withstand a speed of up to 370 km per hour. The car has a 5.9-litre V12 690 horsepower engine and weighs 2,660 kilograms. Rumour has it that the Maybach Accelero was sold in 2011 for $8 million. Bugatti La Voiture Noire. This, without a doubt, is the most expensive car in the world. This 2019 novelty was sold to an unknown buyer for more than $12 million without taxes, and there's a lot to say about this exclusive car. First, the bodywork is made of handmade carbon fiber. Secondly, it has an 8-litre W16 engine capable of producing up to 1,500 horsepower. Even the exhaust pipes in this car are unique. There are 6 of them, and they're located in a row right under a wide LED strip, which serves as a brake light. Information on the exact performance characteristics are not yet available, but it's likely that Bugatti La Voiture Noire will be as fast or even faster than the Bugatti Chiron, which can reach 490 km per hour.